Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we would be attending Biweekly contest 169, and I would not be able to attend tomorrow's contest and maybe the next week's contest because I'm going on a trip. So I'm planning to have a good rank today in this contest so that we will have a positive delta because we are very close to get to night batch. Okay. So yeah, let's quickly start the contest. Join now. So 3 and 2. Okay, number of subarrays in which target is the majority element. The majority element of a subarray is the element that appears strictly more than half of the times in that subarray. More than half of the times in that subarray. Okay, great. Okay, so what can we do? Equal to 0 and if the threshold is, or if the map dot get target or 0. Okay, if this is greater than or equal to what threshold, then answer plus plus, and I'll also check if this is present or not. This is greater than 0. Greater than 0. I don't think we will ever need this case, but okay, let's keep it as it is. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll just keep the track in the map. Output is 3, 10 and 0. Okay, 5, 10 and 0. So here it is 2, so 2 is appearing at least half. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 will, which one is this? Strictly more than half of the elements in that subarray. More than half of the elements. Okay, so it should be strictly greater than threshold. Still we are missing something, I guess. Okay, so I0 is less than, then we'll start it from this. My threshold will be j minus I plus 1. So it is j minus I plus 1, which is correct. Why it is 0? We are starting from here. We are iterating. Okay, we are adding at every point. I'm checking the target. If target is present in the array and the target is greater than the threshold, then I'm doing answer plus plus. Am I missing something? Okay, from I equal to 0 to n, I plus plus is from 0 to n I plus plus. So it is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the single elements too. Okay, what is the threshold? Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I'll just mute this. Okay, so it was a really silly mistake. 5, 10 and 0. 5, 10 and 0, and I don't think it should cause any error.